Welcome to the Little Brush Buddies. Let's play together. 3, 2, 1. Start. I guide you step by step. So, grab your pencils and markers and let's get drawing together.
Drawing together feels just right. Draw, draw, draw with me on Little Brush Buddies TV. Shapes and colors come along. Let's make art and sing this song. Smiling sun and rainbow too. Cute little animals just for you. With every doodle we can play, learning and laughing every day. Draw, draw, draw with me on Little Brush Buddies TV. Shapes and colors come along. Let's make art and sing this song. Mountains high and rivers wide, a happy boat with kids inside. Stars that twinkle, moon so bright, we can draw them every night. Draw, draw, draw with me on Little Brush Buddies TV. Shapes and colors come along. Let's make art and sing this song. La la la, draw with me. Little Brush Buddies, fun and free. La la la, sing along. Drawing together with this song. Castles, rockets, cars that zoom. Flowers blooming in every room. Every page is full of cheer. Let's keep drawing all the year. Draw, draw, draw with me on Little Brush Buddies TV. Shapes and colors come along. Let's make art and sing this song. Thanks for drawing, friends so dear. With Little Brush Buddies, we'll be right here. See you soon for more to explore. Colors and drawings for every mood. Hello friends, let's draw today. With Little Brush Buddies, hip hooray! Pick up your crayons, red, blue, and green. Let's draw the happiest things we've seen. Lines and circles, colors so bright. Drawing together feels just right. Draw, draw, draw with me on Little Brush Buddies TV. Shapes and colors come along. Let's make art and sing this song. Smiling sun and rainbow too. Cute little animals just for you. With every doodle we can play, learning and laughing every day. Draw, draw, draw with me on Little Brush Buddies TV. Shapes and colors come along. Let's make art and sing this song. Mountains high and rivers wide, a happy boat with kids inside. Stars that twinkle, moon so bright, we can draw them every night. Draw, draw, draw with me on Little Brush Buddies TV. Shapes and colors come along. Let's make art and sing this song. La la la, draw with me. Little Brush Buddies, fun and free. La la la, sing along. Drawing together with this song. Castles, rockets, cars that zoom. Flowers blooming in every room. Every page is full of cheer. Let's keep drawing all the year. Draw, draw, draw with me on Little Brush Buddies TV. Shapes and colors come along. Let's make art and sing this song. Thanks for drawing, friends so dear. With Little Brush Buddies, we'll be right here. See you soon for more to explore. Colors and drawings forevermore. Let's draw today with little brush buddies. Hip hooray! Pick up your crayons, red, blue, and green. Let's draw the happiest things we've seen. Lines and circles, colors so bright. Drawing together feels just right. Draw, draw, draw with me on Little Brush Buddies TV. Shapes and colors come along. Let's make art and sing this song. Smiling sun and rainbow too. Cute little animals just for you. With every doodle we can play, learning and laughing every day. Draw, draw, draw with me on Little Brush Buddies TV. Shapes and colors come along. Let's make art and sing this song.
Remember, you can choose any colors you like. Make it your own.
Boat with kids inside, stars that twinkle, moon so bright. We can draw them every night. Draw, draw, draw with me on Little Brush Buddies TV. Shapes and colors come along. Let's make art.
Get to subscribe and hit the bell so you never miss out on new adorable drawings. If you enjoyed drawing with me today, please give this video a big thumbs up. Your support means so much and helps me create more fun and easy tutorials.
Rockets, cars that zoom, flowers blooming in every room. Every page is full of cheer. Let's keep drawing.